Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open your vocal clip in the clip view and enable warp immediately. You need audio transients aligned to the grid. Choose warp mode, Complex Pro for melodic vocals, beats for chopped rhythms, because each mode preserves different artifacts. Next, set the seg. BPM to match your project or double-click the transients to correct timing. You want clean anchors. Once done, reduce transient sensitivity to avoid false markers, and make sure warp markers sit on strong consonants or vowel peaks for musical results. You now manipulate timing. Add warp markers at consonant attacks and vowel peaks, then drag to tighten or loosen phrasing. This is where you sculpt groove. For larger time moves, create 2 markers and pull the later one. This preserves surrounding audio. Use local tempo on a marker to avoid global tempo shifts when doing drastic edits. Also apply small clip fades and normalize clip gain to prevent clicks and level jumps. Once comfortable, audition against the beat and tweak marker positions for natural feel. Finish by smoothing artifacts. Enable Complex Pro format control or apply small transpose adjustments to mask warping coloration. This helps preserve vocal timbre. When satisfied, consider freezing and flattening the track to commit edits and save CPU, or consolidate clips to lock timing. Export stems at the project BPM. If you encounter timing glitches or odd warble, stop, undo the last marker, nudge it by a few ms, or switch to a different warp mode. That single marker often causes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.